and thank you for joining another video of The Park. You might be from Jamaica, Japan, China, Korea, America, even the UK. It doesn't matter where in this world you are from. I am pretty sure that in your country there must be a proverb. Japanese Kotowaza. So recently, I have met one of the most funny and outgoing Japanese person since I have been living here. In my daily conversations with this person, I am always learning about proverbs, and in trying to understand, I usually have to pull out my phone and Google if I don't understand. So due to this experience, I have decided to give you a challenge. For my first guest on the Parl, I will be having this jovial and outgoing Japanese person present two Kotowaza to you, and you try and guess what the proverb means. Let's have fun.
Hello, everybody. My name is Sakaguchi. Welcome to the Parl. Can you guess the Kotowaza? First Kotowaza. 猿も木から落ちる。Once again. 猿も木から落ちる。Okay? Second ことわざ。猫に小判。Once again. 猫に小判。Let's guess. Bye.
So you have just met Mr. Sakaguchi, my Kotowaza sensei. And if you can guess or answer any of the Kotowaza Mr. Sakaguchi has said, then please let me know in the comments, and if you can repeat it, please send me a video of you repeating the Kotowaza and the English version. I look forward to reading your comments about what the Kotowaza might be.